Right, so now we're going to look at our second step in our hypothesis testing procedure. Our second step is going to be to prepare. So we're going to get ready to test, identify the significance level, state and check the conditions required for future computations, and state any assumptions that must be made. All right, so to start with, let's talk about our significance level. Our significance level is a way of minimizing mistakes. So mistakes are often part of the hypothesis testing process. We do not want to make them too often. One mistake that might be made is to reject the null hypothesis when it is true. We can't prevent this mistake from happening, but we can try to make it happen infrequently. Right? So the significance level which is going to be represented by another Greek letter, the Greek letter alpha, is the probability of making the mistake of rejecting the null hypothesis when in fact it is true. Right? It is represented by alpha, the Greek letter alpha. For most applications, our significance level is going to be 0.05 or 5%. It's acceptably small, but sometimes we might use 1% or 10%. If we think about our confidence intervals that we saw in the previous chapter, a lot of those we use 95%. It's a pretty good window without being too large or too small. This kind of goes along with that. 95% and 5% are complements, so we're kind of tying these two things together. So instead of using a 95% confidence level, we're going to use a 5% significance level. Again, not exactly the same thing, but we choose these values kind of for the same purpose.